Okay, we're back with another video. In the last video, we created an organization with a peer and an orderer. Those resources are now created on virtual machines and they are idle, waiting for something to happen. So on this video, we are going to create a business group for the organization and a Hyperledger channel, which is going to allow those peers and orderers to actually start registering blocks and transactions. Okay, so here I have my setup. Okay, so this is the same setup that we had on the last video. We have one organization with a peer and orderer and the base resources here, the certificate authority and the network API. And now we need to create a business group. Okay, so hopefully you've already seen the Fabric concepts video, and the business group is a group that is going to allow organizations to be joined together and to create resources for blockchain networks. Okay, so those resources are going to be channels and those resources are going to be chain codes. So the business group is going to allow more than one organization to be part of this collaborative group. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to create a business group for this organization, right? So I can do this by just scrolling back a little, and I can see here a section of business groups. And I have no business group, so I'm just going to create one here. Okay, so I'm going to need to give it a name. Okay, so I'm going to name it sales group, for example. Just imagine this is a blockchain network that's going to register sales information. Okay, and I'm going to give it a description. So a group for tracking sales, for example. Just going to create this business group. And now what I can do is create a channel. Okay, so we're going to go into channels and we're going to click on new channel and we're going to create, for example, a main channel here. Okay, so this is the channel that tracks sales, for example. And we're going to choose which nodes are going to be part of this. So we're going to have the orderer and the peer. Okay, so what this does, this generates a proposal, and on the business group, everything's managed by proposals. So that means that the proposal is going to be created and others are going to have to vote on that proposal for that proposal to be approved. In this particular case, I just have one organization, and because it's just a single organization, if that organization creates a proposal, it automatically approves it, right? So here I have a proposal for channel creation. We can see that org1 voted and we can see that it has just been completed. So now we have a channel on this particular network. Okay. Right. So just before we end this video, we can actually see on our peer that now our peer has joined this particular channel. Okay. So you can see that we have some logs here related to the main channel. So you can see updating ledger main channel, created ledger main channel with Genesis block, joining gossip network of channel main channel, and we have a lot of things related to that. And this is going to happen to our orderer as well. So I'm just going to click on the orderer and we can see that our orderer now has main channel on it as well. Created a reft cluster and started everything. Okay, great. So this particular setup is going to allow us to create another organization, join it to the existing channel, and then to create a smart contract between those. Okay, so these are going to be our next videos, and I'll see you then.